Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be reviewing a brand new dashcam from the company Rove. This one here is the R2-4K Pro dashcam. This is a one-channel dashcam that records in Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 resolution. It features a large 2.4-inch IPS LCD display. It also has built-in Wi-Fi so you can connect a mobile app to it and be able to view and download the videos. It also has built-in GPS and night vision recording. This dashcam is packed with a lot of great features. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about this dashcam, so let's get started. Let me show you the unboxing of this Rove R2-4K Pro dashcam. On the front of the box, it tells you there's remote firmware update using the Rove app. There's voice guidance with fail-safe recording voice feedback. The dashcam has a 2.4-inch IPS display. It supports dual band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. There's built-in GPS for geotagging, and it uses a USB Type-C connector for power and data transfer. The dashcam comes in this very nice box. Right here is the user manual. Here it tells you what to do if you get a memory card related error message. This card tells you how to get support. Right here is a Rove R2-4K Pro dashcam. This is a windshield suction cup mount. This is a 2.5 feet USB Type-C data cable. And this here is a 12 feet USB Type-C power cable. Plastic pry tool. Dashcam mount with a double side tape. Cigarette lighter power adapter. Additional mounting clips and double side tape. Cleaning wipe for cleaning the mounting surface. It comes with 3 clear film for you to install onto the windshield, and then you install the mount onto this film. By doing that, it makes removal a lot easier. Here's a look at everything you get with this dashcam. Now I do want to mention this R2-4K Pro dashcam is a brand new model. Previous to this, there was a Rove R2-4K dashcam, and that one only supports 2880 by 2160 resolution at 24 frames per second. Also, the old model has a built-in lithium battery and not a supercapacitor. With this R2-4K Pro model, it supports over-the-air firmware update using the app, and the older R2-4K dashcam did not. So this model definitely has better performance and features compared to the older R2-4K model. So let's have a closer look at this Rove R2-4K Pro dashcam. Now this is a one-channel dashcam, meaning it only has one camera that faces the front. This front camera records in 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second, or if you want, you can set it to record at 2.5K 2560 by 1440 at 60 frames per second. This lens you see here is a 150-degree wide-angle lens. This dashcam uses a Novatec NT96670 processor, and it has a Sony Starvis IMX335 ultra-low light image sensor. To the left, there's a speaker. Looking at the top, there's a TVL. In the middle is where you install the windshield mount. Over here on the right, there's a GPS antenna. Looking on this side, there's a USB-C data and power connector. On the other side, there's a power button. Next to it, there's where you install the microSD memory card. Now this dashcam supports up to 512 GB memory size. Looking at the bottom, there's a reset button, and right here is a microphone. On the back, there's a 2.4-inch IPS display. Now this sticker you see on top of the LCD screen will give you information for customer service. It also tells you this dashcam uses a supercapacitor, which helps extend the life of the dashcam because it doesn't have an internal rechargeable battery. It also tells you to use a genuine Class 10 U3 speed microSD memory card. Now I did get the Rove Ultimate 128 GB memory card, which I'll show you in a little bit. It also tells you to format the memory card with this dashcam after you install it. I'll go ahead and remove this sticker. Now at the bottom here, there are physical buttons. Right here is the menu button, up select, emergency button, down select, and the OK button. Now if you look further down here, these buttons also serve as the mode back button, mute button, lock and Wi-Fi button, LCD off, and the menu confirm button. Now this R2-4K Pro dashcam does have parking mode feature, but in order for you to use that feature, you do have to install the Rove R3 Hardwire kit. After you install this, when you turn off the ignition, the dashcam will get power from the car battery. There is a battery cutoff selector switch on this box that will automatically cut the power to the dashcam when the car battery drops a certain voltage. That way you don't drain your car battery so low that you cannot start your car. After you install this Hardwire kit, this Dashcam has 3 different types of recording modes for the parking mode. You can either set it for time-lapse recording, motion detection, or collision detection. If there's an event, it will record a full 1-minute video and lock that video and save it into the event folder. And when you start your car, the Dashcam will notify you there was an event. Now, a while back, I've already done a full install video of this Hardwire kit, and I installed this with a Rove R3 Dashcam. If you want to check it out, I'll link it at the end of this video, and I'll also provide a link in the video description below. Now, Rove has included 2 different types of windshield mount. This one here has a double-sided tape, so you can stick this directly onto the windshield, or if you want, you can use this suction cup mount, which allows for easy removal. To install the mount is very simple. Slide this end onto the top of the Dashcam. You can loosen the knob and adjust the angle. As I mentioned, I also picked up this Rove Ultimate 128 gig memory card. This is a Class 10 U3 speed rated memory card. Here, I'll install the memory card. To power the Dashcam, connect this USB cable to the Dashcam. On one end, you have this angle connector. Connect this end to the USB-C power connector. On the other end of this cable, connect this connector to a USB power adapter. Now, you do have an extra USB port. You can use this to charge your phone. Plug this power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. Here it tells you to format the memory card. Select OK.
Format successful.
You can manually set your date and time, or if you want, you can set the GMT time zone. I'll select the GMT time zone. This screen tells you can start using the Dashcam with the factory default setting, or if you want, you can go into Settings menu and configure it how you like it. Okay.
Video mode. Recording started.
So right now the Dashcam is recording the video. Let me lift up the Dashcam and you can see that's the image from the front camera. Let's stop the recording by pressing the OK button.
Recording stopped.
Now go into the menu.
Video settings.
You can use the up and down arrow to navigate. First one is video resolution. So by default it's set to 2K 2560 by 1440. You can also set it to 4K 3840 by 2160. Loop recording. By default the loop recording is set to 1 minute, or you can set it to off for 4 GB maximum size. You can also scroll down to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. Now with the loop recording, how that works is when you start recording, the Dashcam will record a series of 1-minute video non-stop. Once the memory card is full, it will start overwriting the oldest file. Next, video recording G sensor. By default set to 5, there's a medium impact. You can set to off. 1 is low impact. Or you set to 9, which is a high impact. I'll leave it at 5. Wide dynamic range. By default is on. Exposure. You can increase or decrease exposure. Time-lapse recording. Now time-lapse recording is for the parking mode. That's why it's off right now. But if you install the Hardwire kit, you can select 4 frames per second, 2 frames per second, or 1 frame per second. Video compression, by default, is set to H.265. This uses a high-efficiency video coding for smaller file size. 24-hour parking mode. Again, you need to install the Hardwire kit for this to work. I'll leave it off.
Parking mode is off.
Parking mode G sensor. Here you can set the G sensor for the parking mode. Record audio is on or off. By default is on. Video stamp. By default, the date-time stamp, speed stamp, GPS location, and the Rove logo is enabled, so the recorded video will have these stamps on it. Speed unit. By default is miles per hour. You can set it for kilometers per hour. High status icon. By default is off. You can set it for 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, and after this time period, it will turn off the icons on the display. Live speed and compass. This information will be displayed on the LCD. Rotate video. By default is off. Now we're back to video resolution. Press the menu button again.
System settings.
Now we're in system settings. First item is Wi-Fi. By default is off. If you want to connect the app to this Dashcam, you do want to turn it on. Wi-Fi mode. By default is 5 GHz. If you want, you can select 2.4 GHz. Format is to format the memory card. Date and time. Here you can manually set the date and time if you want. Date format, by default set to month, day, and year. Time format, 12 hours or 24 hours. GPS time zone setting, which we already set earlier. Screensaver settings, by default set to live video and is always on. If you want, you can set it to screensaver on after 1 minute or LCD off after 1 minute. Screen brightness, by default set to high. You can set it for medium or low. Beep sound, by default is on. If you want, you turn it off. Speaker volume, the default is high. Voice guidance, by default is on. Boot time tone, by default is on. TV mode, you can select NTSC or PAL. I'm in North America, so I'll leave it NTSC. License plate, here you can enter a number specific for this dash cam. So if you have a fleet of vehicles, you can identify which dash cam was installed on which car. Frequency, by default 60 Hz for North America. GPS info, this screen will show you the GPS satellite lock. GPS format, by default it's degrees, minutes, and seconds. LED status indicator, by default on. Storage space, this will show you the memory usage on the memory card. Default setting will allow you to revert back to factory default. Customer care, this will have information on where to get customer support. Legal information. System information, this will show you the software version and the serial number of the dashcam. Now we're back to Wi-Fi. To exit, press menu again.
Video mode. Recording started.
Now while it's recording, if you want to mute the microphone, press the up select button right here.
Audio recording off.
Press it again to unmute it.
Audio recording on.
If you want to turn off the LCD display, press the down arrow button.
The display is off. Video is recording.
Press it again to turn it back on. And while you're driving, if you see something happening on the road and you want to lock that video clip and save it, press this emergency button in the middle right here.
Current loop video is now locked.
So this video is now saved and locked, and it will not be overwritten. Now if you want to change the mode, press and hold the menu button.
Photo mode.
Now you're in photo mode. Press the OK button to take a picture. Press and hold the menu button one more time.
Playback mode.
Now you're in playback mode. Here you can play back the video using the LCD display. Press and hold again.
Video mode.
Now we're back to video mode.
Recording started.
Now let me show you how to use a Rove Dashcam app to connect to the Dashcam. In Google Play Store, I searched Rove, install the app called Rove Dashcam. Once the app is installed, open it. Now, if this is your first time using this app, you do need to register for an account. It is free. You don't have to pay for any service. After you sign in, go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi on the Dashcam. So right now on the Dashcam, I'm in System Setup. Scroll down to Wi-Fi. I'll turn it on.
Wi-Fi is on.
Select the Dashcam you have. I have the Rove R2-4K Pro. Select Connect to Rove Dashcam Wi-Fi. Here's a Rove R2 Pro 4K. Select that. Now the default password is 12345678.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Here I'll select Always Connect.
Video mode. Recording started.
So right now with this app, I can see a live video from the Dashcam. And currently it's recording in video mode. Using this app, you can also go into settings by selecting the settings button at the bottom right hand corner.
Recording stopped.
And here are all the settings that you saw earlier on the LCD display. Now if you want to look at the recorded video on the Dashcam, at the bottom there's a button called Dashcam Video. Select that.
Playback mode.
Select Videos. Here's a list of all the recordings from the Dashcam. If you want to play back one of the video clip, select it.
Recording started.
Using this app, you can also go into Set. Here you can see the name of the video file, is date stamped, start time, end time, the duration of the video, the size of the video. You can also delete it, download it, and lock the video clip if you want. Let's go back to live video.
Video mode. Recording started.
As you can see, this app is very simple to use and it will allow you to wirelessly download video clips from the Dashcam onto your phone. To install the Dashcam, you can either use the mount with the double-sided tape or this mount with a suction cup. For this install, I'll be using this one here with a suction cup. Slide the mount on top of the Dashcam and then rotate this and adjust the angle. Place this onto the windshield, turn this knob and lock it in place, and then you adjust the angle. Next, connect the power cable. Route the power cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar and down to your center console. Plug the power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. With everything connected, once you turn on the ignition, the Dashcam will power on and begin recording.
Video mode. Recording started.
At this time, you can look at the live view and adjust the camera if you need to. Now, if you want to use the Rove app to connect to the Dashcam, turn on the Wi-Fi, press and hold the middle button right here.
Wi-Fi is on.
Looking at the Rove app, select Connect to Rove Dashcam Wi-Fi. Connect to Rove.
Wi-Fi is connected. Video mode. Recording started.
Here on the app, you're looking at the live view of the Dashcam. Now, if you want to view and download the recorded video, select Dashcam Video at the bottom.
Playback mode.
Select Videos. And here's a list of all the recordings. Now, looking at each video file, it does show you the date, the start time, and end time. So the app makes it very easy for you to locate and find the video clip that you're looking for. Now, if you want to download it to your phone, you can also select the download icon right here on the right, or select the file to play it back. So right now it's streaming the recording from the Dashcam to your phone. At the bottom, you have the option to delete the file or download it. If you turn the phone, it will go into full screen mode. Next, I'll show you some of the daytime and nighttime recording from this Dashcam. Now, because this review was filmed in full HD, the video footage you'll see is not 4K resolution. I will upload a separate video of the Dashcam recording in 4K resolution, both daytime and nighttime, and I'll include the link in the video description. As you can see, this Rove R2-4K Dashcam has excellent video quality for both daytime and nighttime. The picture is very clear and you'll be able to read the license plate in front of you. As for the nighttime recording, the video quality is very good. It is able to capture a lot of detail without overexposure. This Dashcam is packed with a lot of great features. Besides having a large LCD display, it also has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can connect your mobile phone to it and be able to view and download the recording. It also uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, so you know this Dashcam will last for many, many years. If you're looking for a one-channel Dashcam, I do highly recommend this one. At the time of this review, this R2-4K Pro Dashcam retails for $130. If you want to learn more about it, check out the link below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.